is Paradise City by Modsun, done a cappella. We got so much sun to soak up. I'm just happy that I woke up. I dream about it and then it show up. I kid forever, I ain't never gonna grow up. About to start a fire, smoke up. No jiving, we vibing. My vacation, we 365 in. Great seat, nice view at the beach. Out of sight, but nothing's out of reach. Cloud nine, I ain't never coming back. I left the stress behind like I don't need that. I lived once, I did everything twice. I don't call it life, 'cause this is paradise. You've been looking for a better way, but you know it's not far to go. We can get away, like yo, where'd they go? Good times, we got 'em on replay. They say no, we gon' do it anyway. I'ma show you how to live like a hippie. Let me take you down to Paradise City. Let me take you down, let me take you down. Let me take you down to Paradise City. Let me take you down, let me take you down. Let me take you down to Paradise City. Okay, are you happy that you woke up? Think about it, sure enough. I love to live it, I wouldn't trade a minute. We could hop the border, I ain't got a limit. Come on, you can visit, or I can meet you there. They ask me where I'm from, I say everywhere. Whether it's a train on a track, a plane, or a hatchback, guess what, we all over the map. Cloud nine, I ain't never going lower. Don't know when I'll be back, but it's nice to know ya. Lived once, did everything twice. I don't call it life, this is paradise. You've been looking for a better way, but you know it's not far to go. We can get away, like yo, where'd they go? Picture the seas, picture 90 degrees. Picture the palm trees dancing in the breeze. Picture the sights that wouldn't let you blink. Picture that little umbrella inside your drink. I'ma take you there. Go ahead and say goodbye. We can float away in the hot tide. I'ma take you there. Go ahead and close your eyes. Okay, open up. Paradise. Alright, hope you guys liked it. And listen to the original track because it's bomb. Firm bass.